The US may be screwed as Fitch downgrades the US in terms of ratings from AAA to AA+. But if you watch this video, I'll explain how you can avoid getting screwed. The rating I'm talking about is the credit rating, and the lower that is, the higher interest rate you're going to have to pay as the debt holder. So the downgrade from Fitch means that they see the US as a less credible debt holder. They cite their concern over growing debt burdens, which back in the 80s you can see was around $1 trillion in debt, and it's ballooned all the way to $31 trillion. And that number will continue to get worse so as long as we run at a deficit, and we already spend close to $500 billion a year just to service the debt. That's the interest, not even paying down the principal. They also quote erosion of governance, aka we spend like drunken sailors, and then when the shit hits the fan, we just kick the can down the road. So there's two ways I see us getting out of this. First of all, cutting spending and getting rid of the deficit. Or we inflate the problem away. As inflation happens every year, the value of the dollar goes down, which actually helps the person taking out debt. And as a citizen, the best way to avoid the effects of inflation is by owning assets, something like the stock market and the S&P 500, owning real estate. Essentially, over a long enough time period, you don't want to be holding cash.